Hello students. Hello everyone. Yes, good evening to one and all who all are present here. Welcome back to Evershine Coaching Center and Shah Sir classes. I am your math and science mentor, Shah Sir here. Dear students, just we are waiting for the other students to join for the class. Just under 2 minutes, we are going to start up with today's session. Okay? Okay, let's get started with today's class. So, dear students, yesterday we have discussed few problems. Okay, okay. So let me to introduce of today's session what exactly we are going to conduct here. So this is the final revision for class 10 students of subject mathematics. If any students are finding difficult how to pass or how to score in upcoming boards, so this is the video for you guys. So here we are going to simplify those problems. We are going to simplify the concepts and we are making ease for you people like what to study and what you should not to study. Okay. So here we are solving all the various problems related to 2 mark questions which you can expect in your upcoming boards. So yesterday we have completed part 1. If any students have not done with part 1, I kindly request you people once watching this video you can just go back to part 1 video and you can watch it, make a note what all the things has been instructed over there, which are the problems have been solved and which problems has been assigned for you people to solve. Everything is there over there. You can just browse it, okay, copy down those points, start practicing according to that. So now here in this class, we are going to continue with class 10 mathematics for the final exam revision. 100% sure questions, 2 marks. Take on the first question of today's class. Make a note. In an arithmetic progression, in an arithmetic progression, if S20 is equals to 820 and 20th term is equals to 79, comma, then find its first term. Then find its first term. How to find the problem? How to find the solution for this problem? Let's see here. What is the data is given? They are given that sum of 20 terms is 820 and they have given the 20th term is 79 and they are asking us to find the first term. First, let me understand the meaning of the given question. What is the meaning here? Observe here. Sum of 20 terms. What do you mean by sum of 20 terms? First term, second term, third term, fourth term, like this. All the terms till the 20th term. Okay. These all terms if you add. These all the terms if we are going to add. First term plus second term. We don't know what is first term we have here. What is second term we have here? What is third term value? What is fourth term value? What is fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, tenth, and so on till 20th. So, if you are going to all these terms, what answer we get, that is called as S20. The meaning of S20 is sum of all the 20 terms. But here they have said that the total answer of sum of 20 terms is 820. It means if you are going to add these all terms A1, A2, A3, A4 till A20, you are going to get the answer 820. But we don't know which are these terms. We don't know which are these sums. Okay, which are these values. But they given the final solution. And also they suggested here that the 20th term, here what is 20th term here according to the sequence? Here this 20th term is our last term. According to this question, the 20th term is last term. That is we called as nth term. Here nth term is 20th term. Am I right? According to the sequence. Excuse me, Sahib. The nth term is 20th term. The value of 20th term, the value of last term, nth term, that is 79. I hope you have understood the given data. Am I right? So let me write the first data. They have given sum of 20 terms is 820 and they have given the value of last term. Last term here is 20th term. So 20th term we can say as last term or nth term. The value is 79 and from this they are asking us to find the value of first term. From this, they are asking us to find the value of first term. Am I right? I hope you have understood the meaning of the question. Okay, let me solve this problem here. S20, it's in the form of Sn. Am I right? S20, it is in the form of Sn. So, what is the formula we have to find Sn? So, Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We have this one formula. And also we have the formula that is Sn is equals to n by 2 into a plus l or nth term. We have two formulas. Now it is up to you guys which formula which you want to use. So out of these two formulas, which formula we can use? I said you in the previous class. If we know first term and common difference, we use this formula. If we know or don't know any one out of it, let it be first term and last term. If you know first term and last term, we use this formula. But according to the question, as you can see, they have given the last term value. And they are asking us first term here. So which formula we can use here? As you all knows it, if first term and last term is given, we are going to use Sn equals n by 2 into a plus l. We are going to use this formula. I hope you have understood why did we use this formula. Because last term is given. That's the reason we are using this. If common difference was given, we was giving the before formula what we have written. Now Sn is nothing but S20. The value of n here is 20. 20 by 2 into a value we don't know. First term value we don't know. So let me keep a as it is plus l. The value of l is 79. That is last term. The last term is 79. Okay. Then 2 ones are 2 tens are 20. Now what is the value of S20 here? That is 820. So 820 is equals to 10 into a plus 79. Now let me simplify. 820 divided by 10 is equals to a plus 79. We are going to cross multiply 10 down. So it becomes divided by 10. Done. 0, 0 get cancelled. Then 82 minus 79, that is equals to A, because 82 by 1 is 82 plus 79 come to the other side, it becomes minus 79, that's the value is A. So A is equals to 82 minus 79, 12 minus 9 is how much? 12 minus 9, 3, isn't it? Then 7 minus 7 is 0. So what is the value of first term? The value of first term is 3. I hope you have understood how to solve this problem. Am I right? Is the concept is clear for you all guys? Sure? Understood how to find the first term here? Great. Now let me solve the next problem here. Now let me solve question number 2. So what is question number 2 here? Let me see. Make a note. Find the sum of find the sum of the first 20 terms. Find the sum of the first 20 terms of the arithmetic progression AP 6, 10, 14 and so on using formula. Using formula. Okay. Now let me solve this problem here. What is the question? Find the sum of first 20 terms. Am I right? They are asking find the sum of first 20 terms. Find the sum of first 20 terms means what? They are asking us to find S20 value. The value of S20. Find the sum of first 20 terms. In this, they have given the first term. The value of first term is 6. And they have given the common difference. I said you right. What is common difference? A2 minus A1. 10 minus 6 is 4, right? 6, 10, 14 and so on. This is our first term. This is our second term. This is our third term. Already said it is in AP. No need to check whether it is in AP or not. Directly you can say if you want to find a common difference, A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1, A2 value is 10 minus A1 is 6, 10 minus 6 is 4. If you want, you can find another common difference also, that is A3 minus A2. This minus this. A3 value 14 minus A2 is 10. 14 minus 10 is also 4. As you can see, any differences you can take, any number, any succeeding term. So with the preceding term, if you subtract, the common difference remains same. As you have understood how to find D value. Am I right? Good. Now let me continue solving this problem. Let me to erase this part. Now I hope you have understood how did we get the value of D. But here you can see in this 6, 10 and 14, it goes on continues. Where it's going to stop, we don't know. It means we don't know the nth term. We don't have nth term in this. We have only first term and common difference. We can find first term and common difference in this. Now S20, as you know that, it's in the form of Sn. As I said to you before, if you know the first term and common difference, to find Sn, we have the formula, that is Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula which we use to find the sum of first 20 terms. Now Sn, n value is 20, that is 20 by 2 into 2 into the value of a is 6 plus n value is 20 minus 1, the value of d is 4. That's nothing but 2 ones are 2 tens are 20. So 10 as it is. 2 6 are 12 plus 20 minus 1 is 19 into 4. That is 10 into 12 plus 19 into 4. What is 19 into 4? 76. 4 nines are 36. 6 3 carry. 4 ones are 4 plus 3 is 76. That's nothing but 10 into 76 plus 12 is how much? That is 88. 10 into 88 is 880. That is S20. So finally you can write the conclusion that therefore sum of the first 20 terms, the sum of the first 20 terms of the given AP is 880. This is our conclusion. I hope you have understood how to find the sum of first 20 terms. Clear? Any doubts still here? Okay, great. Now let me solve the next problem here. The next problem. Yeah. Can you solve this problem right now? Find the sum of first 20 terms. Find the sum of first 20 terms of the arithmetic progression of the AP 11, 15, 19, 23 and so on. So can you try for this? Can you try for this? Find the sum of first 20 terms of the given AP 11, 15, 19, 23 and so on. You can just try as you have as you know that the earlier problem we have done related to this. Okay, so this is a small homework you can try from your side. So make sure that you need to solve this problem. Okay, in the below comment section you can write question number and you can write the answer. Okay, you can comment me what is the solution for this later. Okay, good, great. Now let me solve next problem. If the first term if the first term of an AP if the first term of an AP is 1 and the 14th term is 53. 14th term is 53, comma, then the nth term, then the nth term, then then find the nth term of this progression of this progression. Okay, let me see how to solve this problem here. As you know that, what is the given question? If the first term of an AP is 1, first term is A is 1 and the 14th term is 53. That is A14, that is 14th term is 53. Now find the nth term, that is nothing but they are asking us to find the value of an. They are asking us to find the value of an. Am I right? Okay. They have given first term, they have given the 14th term. Now they are asking us to find the nth term here. Clear? My dear students, as you know that they are asking nth term, right? What is the value of n? They are not given. Am I right? So when we solve this problem, keep the value of n as n only because they have not given. If they say find the 20th term is, we can write n value as 20 because an in place of n we have 20. But in this problem in place of n we have n only. Remember this point. Okay. But they have given one more nth term here, that is 14th term. Now, as you know that 14th term can be written as a plus 13d. Am I right? Can you write 14th term as a plus 13d? Yes. How did we wrote this? As you know, an equals a plus n minus 1 into d. N value 14 is equals to a plus n value here is 14. Right? 14 minus 1 is 13d. Here if you get 14, write here 13. Here if you get 15, write here 14. Here if you get 20, write here 19. Right? If they ask you 25th term, directly you can write a plus 24d. Just one value less. Here 14 means here 13. Here 25 means here 24. Clear? So similarly, they have given 14th term. By using that 14th term condition, what we can write? A14 can be written as a plus 13d. What is the value of a? 1. Plus 13, we don't know the value of d. Keep it d as it is. What is the value of a14? A14 is how much? As you can see, the value of A14 is how much? 53. In place of A14, I am going to substitute 53 here. Okay. Now we can see here 53 plus 1 come to the other side minus 1 that is equals to 13d. Now we can write 13d is equals to 53 minus 1 is 52. The value of d is 52 by 13. So 13 ones are 13 fours are. The value of d is 4. What's the value of d we got right now? The value of d is 4. Right? We got d. Now what they are asking us to find? Nth term. That is an. So now we can write the formula of an. An can be written as a plus n minus 1 into d. An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. an as it is. A value is 1 plus n value we don't know, keep n as it is, minus 1, d value just now we got as 4. That is 1 plus 4 into n is 4n minus 4 ones are 4. Now we can write 1 as 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4 how much? Minus 3 plus 4n. So let me rearrange them. So an can be written as 4n minus 3. An is equals to 4n minus 3. Okay. I hope you have understood this problem. How to solve. Am I right? Good. Now let me solve the next problem. Question number 5. Make a note. Find find which term find which term of the AP 2, 7, 12 and so on is 47 using formula. Okay, let's see how to solve this problem. Find which term of the AP 2, 7, 12 is 47. It means we have first number 2, we have second term 7, we have third term 12. See, this is our first term, this is our second term, this is our third term. First term means when the value of n is 1, a1. If the value of n is 2, a2. If the value of n is 3, a3. Like this, we have so many numbers, but ultimately it's going to end with 47. Okay. Now, what should come here? What should come here? The value of n. That is what they are asking. Which term of the AP? See, when first term is 2, second term is 7, third term is 12. Then which term is 47? This is the question. To find which term is 47, it means we need to find the value of n here. What value we need to find? We have to find the value of n here. Example, if we get, example I'm telling, 15. If we get the value of n as 15, then directly we can say that therefore 15th term is 47. Clear? I hope you have understood. Good. Now let me solve this problem. Understood the data? Understood the meaning of the question? Now here what we have to find? We need to find the value of n. So the value of n will help us to find which term of this AP is 47. Now as you can see the value of A, first term is 2. Common difference 7 minus 2 is 5. According to this question the nth term is 47. Here we need to find the value of n. As I said you that in the question if they ask you how many number of terms or which term kind of thing we need to find n. To find n we have the formula that is an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Always try to highlight the formula. What is the value of an? An is 47. That is equals to a is 2, n value we don't know, keep it as it is, minus 1, d value is 5. Now 47 plus 2 come this side, it becomes minus 2 is equals to 5 into n is 5n, plus into minus minus 5 ones are 5. 47 minus 2 is 45, that is equals to 5n minus 5. Actually we are finding the value of n, so I am going to keep this 5n as it is. Now what I am going to do here, 45, this minus 5 come to the other side, it becomes plus 5, that is equals to 5n. Now we can say that 5n is equals to 45 plus 5 is 50. The value of n is 50 by 5, 5 ones are 5 times are 50, the value of n is 10. Now directly we can write the conclusion, therefore an is, the value of n is 10. Now we can say that therefore 10th term is, we can write like this also, therefore 10th term, 10th term that is nothing but a10 is 47. Which term is 47? 10th term is 47. Okay. Therefore 10th term that is a10 is 47. This is how we need to find the 10th term or the value of n. Hope you have understood this problem. Am I right? Great. Now let me solve one more problem related to the 2 mark which you can expect from this chapter. Take down. If 2 comma x plus 1 comma 3 are in AP, comma, then find the value of x. Then find the value of x. Now how to solve this problem? Let me understand this. As you know, we have 2, we have x plus 1, we have 3. Only they have given 3 terms. Now what I am going to do here, now I am going to take them as these 2 as small a, x plus 1 as capital A, that is arithmetic mean. What is x plus 1 here? Arithmetic mean, that is capital A. Let me take this b as small b. Let me take this as small b. Now we have the formula, that is a is equals to a plus b by 2. This already I have discussed in the previous class. Again I am repeating this problem here. So in place of capital A, you can write as x plus 1 is equals to small a is 2 plus small b is 3 divided by 2. X plus 1 is equals to 2 plus 3 is 5 by 2. Now we can say x is equals to 5 by 2 plus 1 come to the other side minus 1. X is equals to 2 is the LCM. 5 minus 2 ones are 2. X is equals to 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 by 2. Yes, child. Yamuna, yeah, I'll be solving 3 and 4 mark questions also, child. Actually, first I'm starting with 2 mark questions. So from each of the chapters and how they can ask you the questions in the exam, first I'm covering those things. Okay. First I'm completing 2 mark questions. All the topics, all the various related problems which can appear in exam for 2 marks. First I'm going to cover that, check. After covering those all questions, then I'll start with 3 mark, then I'll come back to 4, then 5 mark and then 1 mark questions. So I'm just following the order. Clear? Good. Then now let me solve one more problem which we can expect for 2 marks from this chapter. Make a note. How many, take down the question, how many numbers, how many numbers between 201 and 401 are divisible by 6? By 6. Okay, let's we solve this problem. How many numbers between 201 and 401 are divisible by 6? Now first let me understand the meaning of the question. What exactly they are asking here? See students, how many numbers between? How many numbers between? Between means what? Here they said 201 and 401, right? Between means after 201, before 401, we have so many numbers, right? Example. After 201, which number we may get? 202, 203, 204, 205, 206, and so on. Right? Before 401, let me take few numbers before that. Let me take it as 398, 399. Let me take it as 400. Am I right? Like this, we have so many numbers after 201 and before 401. Now they're asking that of these all numbers we have, which all the numbers are divisible by 6. You have to know. You should know here which are the numbers are divisible by 6. How many numbers we have like that, which is divisible by 6. Please understand once again. The question is how many numbers between 201 and 401. So first, whenever you get the question like this, if they ask you how many numbers between, then what you should do? You should not take 201. Even though it is divisible by 6 also, you should not consider that. After 201, what is the next number you write? Write some 3-4 numbers. 401 don't take. Before 401, which are the numbers you have? Write some 3-4 numbers. Now, one by one number, you just divide by 6. Which number is divisible by 6? Just check it out. Is 202 and 6 is they are both are divisible? Right, see, 6 ones are 6, 6 threes are 18. Remainder 2. 22 will go with 6? No. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 18, sorry, 6 threes are 18. Remainder is how much? 2. 23. 23 will go with 6? No. Then again 6 3s are 18. Remainder how much? 6. 6 3s are 18, right? 19 20 2 4 24. Yes, 24 will go right. 6 4s are 24. Now we got to know that the first number which is divisible by 6 is 204. 204 is divisible by 6. Now what you can do after you get the first number, then it's fine. 204 plus 6, 210. 210 plus 6, 216. Please write three numbers, enough. And so on. These are the numbers are divisible by 6. Am I right? You first predict the first number. After you get the first number, add 6 to the next numbers. You will get the remaining numbers. Am I right? Yeah. Now, before 401, last number also we need to find. 400 is divisible by 6. Let's check. 6 1s are 6. 6 6 are 36. Remainder 4. 40 will goes with 6. No. 399 by 6. Let's check. 6 1s are 6. 6 6 are 36. Remainder 3. 39. No. Next 6. 6 1s are 6. 6 6 are 36. 6 6 are 36. Remainder 3. 38. 38 will go? No. Next number is 397 by 6. Let me check. 397 by 6. 6 6 are 36. 37 will go? No. Next number 396 divided by 6. Check. 6 6 are 36. Remainder 39 minus 36. How much? 39 minus 36. How much? Quick. Tell me the answer. How much 39 minus 36? What is the answer, children? 39 minus 36? Comment here. What is the value of 39 minus 36? How much? 3. Am I right? 3. No, it is 36. Okay. 6 6 are 36. Am I right? Good. So what is the last number divisible by 6? That is 396. Now here first we should write here. Let the numbers divisible by 6. Let the numbers divisible by 6 be 204, 210, 216 and 396. So these are the numbers which are divisible by 6. Clear? Understood? Is this clear? So which was the number we got here? 396 by 6. So this is the last number which was divisible by 6. Clear? Okay. Now we have assumed which are the numbers are going to divide or which are divisible by 6 here. That is 204, 210, 216 till 396. Now between these all numbers, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3. After this what will come? We don't know. Am I right? Don't sit and write all the numbers and count. Okay, we are going to use this condition. So what is the value of first term? 204. Common difference? 6. Nth term? 396. Now we have to find the value of n here. I said you remember how many? Whenever you get the question as how many terms, it means we need to find the value of n. Okay. 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 Is the concept is clear for you guys? Understood? Yeah. Now let me understand here. Now to find n, we have the formula that is an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Am I right? Now what is the value of nth term here? 396. What is first term? 204 plus n value we don't know. Keep it as it is minus 1. D value is 6. Then 396 plus 204 come to the other side. Minus 204 is equals to 6 into n is 6n. Minus 6 ones are 6. 396 minus 204. What is the value? Children, what is the value? 396 minus 204. Good. It is 192. Am I right? 192 is equals to 6n minus 6. Clear? Done? Now we can write here 192 minus 6 come to the other side. It is plus 6, that is equals to 6n. Now we can write 6n is equals to 192 plus 6 is 198. The value of n is 198 divided by 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 threes are 18, remainder 1, 6 threes are 18. The value of n is 33. So how many number between 204 and 401 are divisible by 6? Therefore, we can say that there are there are 33 numbers. There are 33 numbers which are divisible by 6 between 201 and 401. This is how we have to conclude the problem. How to solve this problem. Understood? Is the concept is clear for you all guys? So whenever you get the question like this, you are supposed to solve the question like this here. Now, similar problem, let me solve one more. Similar case. Let's see. How will you solve this question? Find find how many how many two-digit numbers find how many two-digit numbers are divisible by 3. Suppose if the question is like this. How many two-digit numbers are divisible by 3? How will you solve this problem? Observe here. Now, which is the first two-digit number? See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What is this all? These all are single-digit numbers. After 9, we start with 10, 11, 12. These all are two-digit numbers. Okay. So, these two-digit numbers are from where? Two-digit numbers start from 10, 11, 12, 13 and so on and ends with 99. Am I right? These are the two-digit numbers. If they say three-digit numbers, the minimum three-digit numbers start from 100, 101, 102, 103 and so on and it will ends with 999. So these are the three-digit numbers. Understood how to assume? First you write all the two-digit numbers. Okay, we have taken two-digit numbers. But here the condition is how many two-digit numbers are divisible by 3? Now check one by one. Which all are divisible by 3? 3 and 10, 10 by 3? No. 11 by 3? No. 3 ones are 3 fours are yes. 12 will goes with 3 tables, right? So 12 is divisible by 3. So 12 plus 3, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. And so on. The last number is 99. Is 99 is divisible by 3? Yes, of course. 3. That is 33. Now we have got to know that these are the two-digit numbers which are divisible by 3. Now let me write the statement. Let the two-digit numbers divisible by 3 be 12, 15, 18 till 33. Right? How many? Can you see this question? How many means we need to find the value of n here. So what is the first term? First term is 12. Common difference 3. Nth term 33. What they are asking? N. Clear? Understood the problem? Understood how to solve these problems? Yes. Now we need to find the value of n here. Now, observe you. To find n, what is the formula we have? An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. We have this formula. What is an? 33 is equals to a 12 plus n we don't know. Keep it as it is. The value of d is 3. 33 plus 12 come to the other side. Minus 12 is equals to 3 into n. 3n plus into minus minus 3 ones are 3. 33 minus 12. 3 minus 2 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. 21 is equals to 3n minus 3. 21 minus 3 come to the other side. Plus 3 is equals to 3n. Now we can write 3n equals 21 plus 3 is 24. The value of n is 24 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 8s are 24. The value of n is 8. Now we can say that how many two-digit numbers are divisible by 3? There are 8 two-digit numbers. There are 8 two-digit numbers divisible by 3. This is how you are supposed to conclude the problem. Understood the concept here? Have you understood the concept here? Please let me know first. Any doubts still here? Do you have any doubts still here? The problems which we have solved. Let me know first. Any doubts still here? Any doubts? I hope you all have understood. Till here, if you have found any doubts, you can ask me. No doubts? Yeah. Excuse me. No doubts? Great. Now let me solve one more problem similar to this. Excuse me, Sahib. Okay. No doubts? Yeah. Will you try solving this problem? This is question number 9. Question number 9. Make a note. The seventh term of an AP is 4 times, seventh term of an AP is 4 times its second term, comma, if if the 12th term is 2 more than more than thrice the fourth term, comma, then find the AP. Find the AP. Now observe here how to solve this problem. Okay, observe your students. Solution. What is the question? If the seventh term of an AP is, means A7 value is 4 times its second term. 4 times means 4 into second term, that is A2. Seventh term value is 4 times of second term. 4 times its second. Next, if the 12th term is, what is the value of 12th term they have given? 12th term is 2. More than, more means plus, thrice, 3 times, thrice the fourth term, 3 times of A4, 3 times of A4. Seventh term is 4 times of second term. 12th term is 2 times, that is 2 more than thrice of the fourth term. Now they are asking us to find the AP. What do you mean by AP? AP means we have to find the first term, second term, third term, and like this, so on. So we need to find these all values here. That is called as AP. Now first let me understand what exactly they have given here. Seventh term, A7 is equals to 4 into A2. Now A7 can be written as A plus 6D. Let me write, that is equals to 4 into 4 into A2. What is A2? A2 can be written as, second term can be written as A plus D. Now we can write A plus 6D is equals to 4 into A is 4A plus 4 into D is 4D. Clear? Now we can write here A as it is, plus 4A come to the other side, minus 4A is equals to 4D plus 6D go to the other side, minus 6D. 1A minus 4A minus 3A is equals to 4 minus 6 is minus 2D. This minus get cancels. Then what is left out? 3A is equals to 2D. What's the value we got here right now? We got the value 3A is equals to 2D. Now let me convert this into the equation form. Let me write 3A as it is, plus 2D come to the other side, it becomes minus 2D, that is equals to 0. Let me call this as equation 1. Let me call this as equation 1. Now come back to equation 2. Now they have given that 12th term is A12 is equals to 2 plus 3 into A4. 3 times of A4, right? A12 can be written as A plus 11D is equals to 2 plus 3 into A4 can be written as A plus 3D. Then A plus 11D is equals to 2 plus 3 into A, 3A plus 3 3s are 9D. Now we can write here A plus 11D plus 3A come this side minus 3A plus 9D come this side minus 9D, that is equals to 2. 1A minus 3A is minus 2a. 11d minus 9d is nothing but plus 2d. That is equals to 2. Now we can take 2 as common. In from minus 2a plus 2d. From this part, I am going to take 2 as common. If we take 2 as common, the left out part is minus a plus d, that is equals to 2. Now minus a plus d is equals to 2. Cross multiply divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 ones are. Now we got the value minus a plus d is equals to 1. Let me call this as equation 2. Now we got two equations. Now we can conclude that therefore from equation 1 and 2, 3a minus 2d is equals to 0, minus a plus d is equals to 1. Now, as you know that if you want to solve this problem with the concept called as elimination method, both the numbers should be same and opposite sign. Here is 3a, here is minus a. Both will not get cancelled. Here minus 2d plus 2 plus d. Even this also will not get cancelled. So what I am going to do for this equation 2, I am going to multiply this with 3. Then what happens? 3a minus 2d is equals to 0 remains same. 3 into minus a is minus 3a plus 3 into d is 3d is equals to 3 into 1 is 3. Got it? Then plus 3a minus 3a get cancelled. When we are adding plus 3a minus 3a, both will get cancelled. 3 minus 2 is 1d is equals to 0 plus 3 is 3. Now, therefore, we got the value of d as, excuse me, we got the value of d as 3. Now, once we get the value of 3a, now we need to find the value of d. Now, as you can see, equation 1 and equation 2, which is simpler for you? Equation 2 is simpler, right? Now, you can write here. We know that minus a plus d is equals to 1. Then minus a plus value of d is 3 is equals to 1. Now actually we want plus a. Am I right? So what I will do, minus a I will shift to the other side so it becomes plus a. Keep 3 as it is. Plus 1 come to the other side. Minus 1 is equals to minus a go that side, that is plus a. Now we can conclude that therefore a is equals to 3 minus 1 is 2. We got the value of a and d. Now we can say that therefore the AP is A, the AP is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on. A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, and so on. But if you write 3 numbers, that's more than sufficient. Just substitute the value of A as 2. A is 2 plus D is 3. A is 2 plus 2 into D is 3, and so on. 2 comma 3 plus 2 is 5 comma 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, and so on. This is the AP. This is our AP. This is how you need to find the solution. I hope the concept is clear for you guys. Am I right? Yeah. Now let me solve one more problem which is related to 2 marks. That is question number 9. Is it 9? Let's check. Yeah, sorry. 9 is done. Now this is our problem number 10 of today's class. Right? Yeah. Let's see how to solve this problem. If the question gives for you like this, find the AP, find the AP whose third term whose third term is 16 and seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. Simple question. By 12. Now how to find the answer for such type of questions? Let's see here. Solution. Find the AP. They are asking us to find AP. Just know as you have seen how to find AP. whose third term is 16. What is third term? A3. A3 is 16. And seventh term, A7. Seventh term is exceeds. Seventh term value exceeds. Exceeds means increasing. Exceeds. How much it is increasing? Fifth term by 12. Fifth term A5 plus 12. This is what? From fifth term it is exceeding by 12. This is how we are supposed to write. Seventh term exceeds means more. How much it is more? Fifth term by 12. That is A5 plus 12. Now, let me come back to the question. A3 is equals to 16. A3 can be written as A plus 2D is equals to 16. Let me call this as equation 1. Then again, one more step. They have given A7 is equals to A5 plus 12. A7 can be written as A plus 6D. That is equals to A5 can be written as A plus 4D. A7, A5 can be written as A plus 4D plus 12 as it is. Now you can see this A get cancelled. Why? Because if this plus A come to the other side, it becomes minus A. Right? Now keep 6D as it is. Plus 4D come this side. Minus 4D. That is equals to 12. Now 6 and 4. They both are the common. Shh. Come on. Come on. 6 and 4. These both will goes with the table called as 2. Right? These both are the multiples of 2. So 2 is common. And also, sorry to interrupt. 6D minus 4D is 2D. Excuse me, Fatima. You. Excuse me. Sorry to interrupt. 6D minus 4D is 2D is equals to 12. Then D is equals to 12 by 2. 2 ones are 2 6 are. The value of D is 6. We got the value of D. Now can we substitute the value of D here? Now we can write here. Substitute the value of D. Substitute the value of D in equation 1. What is equation 1 here? A plus 2D is equals to 16. Then A plus 2, the value of D is 6. That is equals to 16. Now we can say that A plus 2 6 are 12 is equals to 16. A is equals to 16 plus 12 come to the other side, that is minus 12. A is equals to 16 minus 12 is 4. Now we can conclude that therefore the AP is A, A plus D, A plus 2D and so on. What is A? 4. 4 plus D is 6. 4 plus 2 into 6 and so on. 4 comma 4 plus 6 is 10. 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 4 is 16 and so on. Okay. Is the concept is clear? So this is how we need to find the value of AP. Concept is clear? Is the concept is clear? Understood how to find the value? How to solve the problems related to this? Am I right? Yeah. Let me try one more problem. Make a note. The fifth term, the next question here is the fifth term of an AP is 26 and the common difference is 3 times and the common difference is 3 times the first term 3 times the first term, full stop. Find the sum of first 20 terms. Find the sum of first 20 terms of the progression of the progression. Yeah, my name is Shah Faisal. In short, people call me as Shah Sir. Okay, fine. So I hope today we are seeing few newcomers to our channel. So welcome you all. So I am Shah Sir here from Evershine Coaching Center, Bangalore. Okay. So this is a platform for you guys from our coaching center. Every year we used to help out the students at least to pass in the finals. So which are the assured questions, which are the types of questions may appear for the finals we are discussing here in this session. So this session is being completely hosted for those students who are unable to meet the demands of the coaching, unable to pay the fees, or in the remote areas they are not availing the services and also the proper education. So this is the channel which is helping out each and every student, okay, to pass in the upcoming boards. So you can follow our channel and also you can join to our WhatsApp group. In the below description of this video, after the end of the session, we'll share you the link. Okay, you can just click that link and you can join to our WhatsApp channel. So every time whatever the updates are, important classes, notifications, everything will be shared to you on that WhatsApp group. And also yet if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel Shah Sir Classes, kindly do subscribe it and click the bell icon so that you can instantly find the notifications from our site time to time. So this channel is not only helping you guys for your 10th board, even for your 11th and 12th board also this channel will be helping you all. Okay. Now this video will be helpful for both the classes. Either you are from the state board or you are from the CBSE board. This video will be helpful for both the boards because state board and CBSE board both are following a common textbook called as NCERT. Okay. State board students also following NCERT books. CBSE also following the NCERT books. Okay. So this video will be helpful for both the students. Either you are from CBSE or state board. No worries. So both of you can access these classes. It will be very much helpful to solve your examination based problems. Okay, let me to continue this class without wasting much time. Now the question is, the fifth term of an AP is 26. Fifth term A5 is 26. And common difference is, that is D value. Common difference is 3 times, that is 3 into first term, that is A. 3 times. Find the sum of first 20 terms, that is S20. They are asking us to find. Am I right? Now as you can see here, A5. They have given that A5 is equals to 26. Now A5 can be written as A plus 40, that is equals to 26. Now as you can see, simultaneously they said that the value of D is 3 into A. 3 into A means 3A. 3 times of A. Right? 3 times the first term is 3A. Now in this problem, what I can do here, A plus 4 I am going to write as it is. In place of D, I am going to substitute 3A. That is equals to 26. A plus 4 3s are 12A. That is equals to 26. 12A plus 1A is 13A is equals to 26. The value of A is 26 by 13. So 13 ones are 13 twos are 26. Now as you can see, we got the value of A. Therefore, we can say that the value of A is 2. Similarly, as you know that they have said that the value of D as 3A. Now here we can substitute 3. The value of A is 2. Just now we got, that is 3 into 2 is 6. We got the value of D. As you know that we got the value of A and also we got the value of D. Now they are asking us to find the sum of 20 terms. Yes, child, I'll be solving each and every type of problem. Do not worry. So, like this, we are hosting The classes, inshallah, if possible, we will host these classes every day at least for 1 hour from here on. So at what time in the evening I'll be hosting the class, I'll be sharing in the WhatsApp group. Okay. And also I'll be posting on the YouTube. If you are subscribed to my channel, you will get the notification of the classes. Don't worry. Now S20. S20 can be written as Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Why am I using this formula? Because we know a and d values. So I am using this formula. Am I right? Just now I told you. Just before I said you about this point. Right? Now we need S20. N value is 20 here. Now we can write 20 by 2 into 2 into a is 2 plus n value is 20 minus 1 d is 6. 2 ones are 2 tens are 10 into 2 twos are 4 plus 20 minus 1 is 19 into 6. 9 6 are 54. 6 ones are 6 plus 5 is 11. That is 114. Understood? If you don't know, you can calculate like this. 9 6 are 54. 6 ones are 6 plus 114. That is 10 into 114 plus 4. That is 118. 118. That's nothing but 118 into 10. 0 0 0 811. 0811. So the final answer is 1180. That is the sum of first 20 terms. This is the sum of 20 terms. I hope the concept is clear for you all guys. Understood? Understood the problem? Yeah. Now, few problems for you as in homework. You can try from your end. From the problems today what we have discussed in this class. I hope you can try. Please make a note of these problems. You can try similar problems like what we have discussed in this class. Okay, make a note. The ninth term of an AP, that is arithmetic progression, is 1 more than 5 times its second term, and its 12th term is 7 more than twice the fifth term. Full stop. Find the arithmetic progression. You can try this problem. Next question you can try. The sum of the fourth term, the sum of the fourth term and eighth term of an arithmetic progression is 24, and sum of sixth term and 10th term of the progression is 44. Full stop. Find the first three terms. Find the first three terms of the progression. And also you can try for this problem also, that is the sum of first 9 terms of an AP is 144, and its ninth term is 28 full stop. Then find the first term and common difference common difference of the arithmetic progression. So I have just given three questions for you guys. Okay, and one more, last but not least, find the 10th term find the 10th term of an AP 1, 3, 5, 7, and so on. You can try for these problems. Okay, hope the class is interesting. So children, do not forget to comment. Okay, after the end of this video, do not forget to comment how was this class and how much it was helpful for you. And also, which are the problems I suggested you to solve, I request you in the comment section, write that question number and what answer you have got. Please comment here. Why? Because I am asking you to comment, because you can compare your answers with other answers. Let me see who all are getting the same common answer. It means that those answers are correct. Because sometimes whenever we solve any problem, it looks like we have got the solution. See here, in mathematics, getting the solution is not important. Okay, getting the right solution is very important. Even though if you are wrong, if you have done any mistake, also you'll get the answer. I'm not telling that you may not get the answer. Definitely you are going to get the answer. But the problem is you should get the right answer. That is the most important. That's the reason I'm asking you, solve these all problems. After you solve, please comment here. Comment in the comment section along with the question number and the answer. Okay, and also do not forget to let us know how is our session and how it was helpful for you. Thank you, take care, all the best. Keep watching to our YouTube channel, Shah Sir Classes. Tomorrow we are going to meet once again with the next problems. Take care, all the best. Keep watching. Good night.